Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Leafsnap plant identification app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Leafsnap is an AI-powered plant identification app developed to help users quickly identify plants by analyzing leaf images. The app provides detailed information about various plant species, including photos, descriptions, and care tips, making it a useful tool for gardeners, students, and nature enthusiasts. It features an easy-to-use interface and fast identification capabilities that simplify learning about plants. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users praise Leafsnap for its accuracy in identifying common plants and its rich database of botanical information. The app's straightforward design makes it accessible even to beginners, while the photo analysis speeds up the identification process. Users also appreciate the added educational value with detailed plant profiles. However, the app isn't without its drawbacks. Some users note that it struggles with rare or less common species and that image quality can affect identification accuracy. Additionally, features like offline access or advanced plant care advice may be limited compared to specialized apps. While Leafsnap offers free use, some premium features may require in-app purchases. In summary, the Leafsnap app may be worth using if you want a quick, user-friendly way to identify plants and learn about them, especially common species. However, if you need deep botanical insights or offline capabilities, you might find it somewhat limited. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.